Hey everybody, welcome back to Tractors, Land, and Shop Time. Today I wanted to show you, what do you call that, a power greaser, automatic greaser, battery operated greaser. Milwaukee, DeWalt, they all make them. This one is the Lube Shuttle. I don't know, you've probably heard of Lube Shuttle if you watch other tractor channels. But this one here, what's nice about these, alright, is these tubes, the grease tubes. If you haven't seen one of these, they just unscrew. Okay, there's no messing with a big lever or nothing like that. You just take the lid off, you put it in the tube, you screw it in. And that's as easy as it gets for changing grease cartridges. This one is the battery operated one. I've got two of these. This one has an adapter so that I can use, you can see my regular Milwaukee battery on there. The other one has the battery that comes with this. It was a little bit more expensive actually than this one. I don't think that was even an option when I bought that one. But now they have this where you get this adapter right here and you can put your Milwaukee, and I think you can get for DeWalt batteries as well. So I kind of like that because I've got a lot of Milwaukee tools, got a lot of Milwaukee batteries, so I didn't need to get that battery. It says, I don't know if you can see that, Mato. This is all German engineered. I don't know if it's made in Germany. I'm sorry, I'm squinting. I don't have my readers on. Yes, it says, well, I don't know. There's a lot of German writing on it anyway. But that's what I wanted to show you today. And then I've got, this is the tip. This is kind of a new one. This is the tip that comes on it. It works pretty good. I'm sure you've heard of Lock and Lube, and those are great. I've got the version, I think Lock and Lube would fit on here actually. I also got the adapter straight from the company here that fits on here. That's just like Lock and Lube, but I'm going to put that on there and then just quickly show you this thing running. Unfortunately, I've kept up on all my maintenance over the winter. I don't have anything right now that needs to be greased, but I'll just we'll just use like a shop towel and I'll put some grease in one of those just so you can see it running. All right, so here's another look at the grease gun sitting on the bench. It's got these nice places to hold the grease tube when you're storing it. It's got a pretty good long hose actually, and so let me show you. The trigger's just right up underneath here. All right, and then if I squeeze the trigger, there you go. I mean, it's if you've seen the DeWalt or Milwaukee's, it's pretty much the same thing, but so that's it in use. And here is their version. I guess it's called a Safe Lock. And yeah, there you go. Look at that, made in Germany. There again, you see the German writing, made in Germany. So yeah, this is a German product. But yeah, it's Lock and Lube. Same thing. You just push the lever down and it hooks right onto your grease zerk. Alright, so to change the tip, this existing one here, the end is a 15 millimeter, and then the hose end is a 17 millimeter. I went ahead and pre-loosened this up so that I could just take this off on tape. Oh, on tape. I just showed how old I was, huh? My goodness. Alright, here's the new one. Should be the same size. Let's see if we can get this started one-handed. I think we're going to be able to get it. There we go. Alright, I'll have to snug that up maybe off camera, but that one is on. Should be ready to go. So let me snug that up, and then I'll be right back. I want to show you one other thing that I just noticed about this grease gun. Okay, we got her switched out. Simply just snug that back up, and now like I say, this is just like a lock and lube. Press it on the grease zerk and then let go, and you can let go. It's going to stay on there. What I wanted to show you that I kind of forgot about on the grease gun, it's got a light on the end here too. So as you grease, the light comes on. So you can shed a little light on your operation there when you're greasing. And looks like this new one works too. We got grease coming out. Alright, just a little shorter video today than normal, but yeah, I just wanted to quick show you that since I was going to be messing with it anyway, changing out that tip. And like I said, that's a really awesome grease gun. It costs a bit of money. It's in, I believe, the $500 range. And I know that sounds terrible, but hey, once you buy it, cry once and then be done. Because they're great, and honestly, I've got 2 of them. That's how much I liked it. So, yeah, it's a great grease gun, and you will not be disappointed in it. And I just love the way you change the grease cartridges. So easy. To me, that's worth some money. I mean, I would never go back to the hand pump grease gun. I would always have a power grease gun, especially if you have tractor loaders, tractors, any type of attachments that need greasing. You need something like that. Trailers, wheel bearings, stuff like that. Yeah, those things are great. But to me, it's worth paying a little bit of extra money to get that grease tube where it just screws in and screws out. No mess, super easy. I just love it. If you like this type of stuff, this is the kind of stuff we do on this channel. We show tractor stuff, shop stuff, land maintenance, all sorts of stuff. So please, yeah, like, subscribe, and come back for more. Thanks a lot, guys.